4 and 5 for San Diego, San Isidro, and Tijuana. Now loading for San Diego, San Isidro, and Tijuana. This is very after turnout with the team.
Atención, por favor, pasajeros con destino a Tijuana, atención que se Tijuana y los de Tijuana, por favor, southbound Amtrak train 582. Train will be arriving shortly, boarding for Irvine, Satellite Capistrano, Oceanside, Palm Beach, San Diego. Southbound passengers, please make your way to the station platform at this time. This will be your first halt, southbound Amtrak 582. Southbound train will arrive at board on track 2, track closest to the station. Once again, folks, southbound train will arrive at board on track 2. Track 2 is